Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, that is Techaruna, and I hope all of you know about that. I'm running a series on Canva tutorial. So in today's episode, we are going to see about how to skew an image. What do you mean by skew? Making a slanting course or turn aside. So any photograph or any image, you can actually change the position to slanting. Previously in Canva, this was not actually happening. So people used to go to TV and screens and go for mockups and choose any image and then add on it and then delete the background. And again, they will be able to skew the image. Right now, we can actually skew an image directly in Canva. So today we are going to see that only. Let us go to elements and choose a photograph or an image. I've chosen this. Done. I'll make it a simple smaller size. Now I have chosen this. Now go to this app area where the 9 dotted space is available. Click on it and you need to write skew image. Skew image. After typing it, the first option, click on that, wait for, yeah, the first one is the skew image. Now we have to click on that skew image. Now the interface is so simple. Here it is. It is giving you an option for horizontal skew and also a vertical skew. Now you can watch how this is going to change. Now I'm going to increase the size of the horizontal skew. So make it, yes, done. Now you can add this to design. So it will take a bit of time to add. Come on, this is added. See, you can see here how this simple image is being skewed. Now, again, if I want, I can go for this vertical skew image. I can try because I'll be doing the horizontal back and then going to do the vertical skewing. Done. Now, this also I can add on. So it is definitely going to take a bit of time. Done. Now, what we can do to add some aesthetic element here, you can make it bigger in size and you can shift it. Done. Now you can go for edit image and add some shadows here to give a wonderful effect. So you can see here, this has given a different. So I'll check out something else. See, you can change this also into different. Yeah, this is how you are going to skew an image and add some aesthetic element to the design. See, the simple image which is here now has given a wonderful effect here with queuing and also adding shadows here. So that is all from my desk today. And we can see this also, like, so we can delete the normal image and you can make it bigger in size. Let us see here how this looks with the shadow and effect. Now you can actually make it in bigger size so that you can see the complete effect. You can see how different this is looking and also how beautiful it is, adding some aesthetic element to this image. So this is how we can do skewing to an image and also add shadows and present it. So let me show you by adding some background here so that you will get a different level of this image. See, you can see here how this has changed. Now that is all from my desk and I hope you found this beneficial. If so, click the button like, share and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, do write to me in the comment box. So thank you for watching.